Okay, welcome back to RevScale YouTube channel. I am Max, the founder and owner of the RevScale email marketing agency, and today we're going to talk about the window shopper flow. It is the perfect flow for those in the middle of the funnel, top of the funnel, at the website, bottom of the funnel, post-purchase. Somewhere in the middle of product abandon, added to cart, and checkout is where we are triggering this flow. It's an incredible flow because I think it accurately reflects the customer journey. Someone is coming in and out of your store, and they are honestly probably visually trying to see, whether or not they could see themselves possibly wearing your brand. If you're apparel, so typically apparel, accessories, high ticket brands like this tend to do really well with this flow, just because the buyer intent is like almost there but not quite. So I'm going to go over how to create it, how to think about it, examples, analytics on current clients. So let's dive into it. Okay, so someone will receive this flow email if they are triggered by the segment. So this is a segment triggered flow, meaning we are going to create the window shopper segment, which I will show you how to do. It is this right here. So if someone is in the newsletter, if they viewed a product at least twice in the last 60 days, if they added a cart at least once in the last 60 days, if they've checked out at least once in the last 60 days, but they've never placed an order. They're coming in and out of your store or your window to shop, window shopping. So what kind of language makes sense, right? A nudge, right? So as soon as they enter the segment, 1 hour later, they've received this email. We are trying to nudge them to purchase and try us for the first time, right? So the language is like, hey, how are you doing? What do you think about our brand? Here's some social proof. Here's some guarantees. Maybe even an incentive code. A discount code is optional. But yeah, it's someone who've engaged with your marketing and showed some desire to purchase, but they just haven't made the leap yet. So we're kind of reminding them in like a playful and friendly way, such as a nudge, saying like, hey, the consideration is obviously very high. So they're very aware of your brand. So you're going to say, hey, like, what's stopping you? Come and enjoy our brand with us. Come buy from us. Come try us out. Sending them another reminder, showing them maybe some bundled or quantity discount items. Bada bing, bada boom. Optionally, you can do more emails with greater incentives, but it's just a great flow just because of that customer journey centric style of communication that we're doing. It's very accurate. If you know someone is coming in and out via the segment, of your store, and you trigger this type of email, chances are they'll actually buy from you and give you that chance, especially if you give them a discount code. So let's go into some examples. Okay, so this first example is a flow for a supplement brand. And it says, have you tried us yet? There's 10% off offer right here, giving you a friendly nudge to finally try us. We see you've been checking out some of our gummies, so here's 10% off for you. Here's some social proof, and that's it. Very simple, very straightforward. It's friendly, it's not annoying. We're even educating them a little bit. Okay, so this second email, explore kits, right? Showing them those bundle discounts, giving them some descriptions, and reminding them about the code. Very straightforward, and this email works very, very well. Let's go to another example. This is a more extreme example. You're going to love us. Try us today. Simple language, straightforward, social proof. We give them a pretty extreme incentive at 25% off, 48 hours only. And then we even up the ante to 30% off in 48 hours, right? And then this last one, this is more educational. Get nature's best now. We saw you checking our products. We totally get it. Core benefits, social proof. Your prime awaits inside. We noticed you've been eyeing our products, special treat just for you, or a bribe, if you will. Discount code, but here's the catch, won't last forever. So yeah, I mean, this is a quintessential window shopper flow, quintessential just language and style and design. These are just prime examples of just perfect window shopper emails that work really well. So how do we set this up? Let me show you right here. All right, this is how you create this segment for the window shopper flow, as well as the flow itself. So we'll go to create segment inside our list and segments section of Klaviyo. Just type it WS, okay. And if someone is or is not in the list, let's do the main newsletter, add a condition and someone can, let's add, let's see, that. Okay. So if someone, when someone is done or not done, so this person has viewed the product at least once in the last 60 days. And so as you're thinking about this, what is the exact way you could actually, mirror the customer journey? It could be 15 days is a more accurate way to think about this, right? It could be 90 days. It could be 60 days. I'm doing 60 days, but understand that the consideration cycle is very quick. Maybe you want to do it a little bit quicker, right? So check that at least once in the last 30. Let's make that 60. Okay. Let's actually make it added to cart, so it's just a little bit more neat. Okay. Then we'll do checked out at least once in the last 60 days. And then what someone has done or not done in this case, placed order 0 times over all time. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So we'll create that segment. We'll go to flows, create flow, build your own. Let's go WS, create manually. Then we'll go to all triggers, add it to segments, WS. Let's see. Let's actually double check and make sure. Okay, 0 times since starting this flow. Okay, we don't have anything else in it. So we'll just save. That's it, right? So in the next section, let's go over how to think about, the results and reporting for what we've seen with current clients. We just showed you, how to think about it, examples, how to set it up. Let's look at actual results. All right, so this is a client that is utilizing 5 emails inside this window shopper flow. You can see that trigger, add it to window shopper. We actually do have some profile filters here. Placed order 0 times since starting this flow, checkout started 0 times since starting this flow, or add to cart 0 times. So obviously if they gone further down the funnel, we don't want to trigger it. Wait 1 hour, then say goodbye to neuropathy pain. There it is, meet your pain relief hero. And as we go, if you look at some of the results too, that first email has almost 4,000, second email 1,000, third 1,000, fourth 933, and then fifth 1.36. So we're generating 5, 6, 7 grand inside this flow set. So it's obviously a very, very valuable flow. The open and click rates are over 30% and sitting at 1% or higher. Even at this one, right, it's 2.6% click rate. It's really high. Same thing with this one. It's 3% click rate, 1% order rate. 1 in every 100 person is buying from this flow. That's very high, right? So this is a very successful flow. And it's very simple. You don't even have to do a discount, right? And in this case, we've generated over 1 grand without doing a discount. So I would say that's very successful, right? We're nudging them and we're giving them some core benefits and benefit icons. That's it. So this is a really, really valuable flow. So that's the window shopper flow. We went over how to think about it, how to create it, looked at some examples and some results. And you can see that it's such a core and integral flow, I think, for any brand to have. I absolutely think you should add this to your top 5, top 10 core set of flows on any brand that you have or store for your Klaviyo or ESP sending platform. I love it. So that was a quick, simple, super easy tutorial. Smash that like button, please. Subscribe, please. Comment, let me know what you think, what other videos you want. I'm going to be doing 100 tutorial videos, so this is just one of many. Check out my other videos. Check out my email agency, RevScale, rev-scale.com. Happy to help you out. Any questions you have. That's the window shopper flow. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.